to Gaurav now. He's going to take us through all of the stocks that are moving around in trade on our buzzing stock segment and halftime report. Gaurav, over to you.
Yes. When we look at some of the gainers today, first let's talk about Sanofi Consumers because the company has came up with the numbers. If you look at profit, that increased more than 50%, and that is something which is cheering the market, and we are also seeing some sharp moves in the stock price. Next is KSB. As Vinny suggested, if you look at the performance, numbers are good. In fact, margins expanded almost by 310 basis points, and that is something is the reason why the stock is up more than 10%. We also have Balu Forge in our list today because the company has executed MOU for the period of next 5 years to supply large caliber ammunition. Other than that, Zydus Life is another stock because company has launched innovative semaglutide in the India on the date of patent expiry itself. And lastly, let's also not forget about Shaily Engineering. As mentioned earlier, the company has bagged an order worth 423 crores and the stock is also up more than 3%. If you look at some of the companies which are not only up in trade, but we are also seeing sharp volumes. We've got the companies like VIP Clothing, Atul Auto, Fusion Microfinance. All of these stocks are not only up, but we are seeing sharp volumes as well. On the losing side, if you look at Home First Finance first, now 5.4% equity traded hands in the morning, and the sources suggest that promoters are likely to be sellers in this deal, and the deal happened at a price of 1179 rupees, which was more than 5% discount to yesterday's closing price. Manappuram Finance is another company which is down, and this is down on the back of the sentiments because CEO is going to be on the medical leave of absence for the next 90 to 120 days. Sanofi India, if you look at the numbers were not that great. In fact, we saw net profit declining almost by 32%, and as a result, stock is also down 3%. And lastly, we have got some companies like Jindal Poly, Afcons India, Chola Investment and CDSL under pressure because we are seeing some volume-led pressure in these stocks in a day-to-day. So definitely watching out on all these stocks and see if there is any sign of recovery in these counters.
Okay, all right, Gaurav. Thanks very much for that. So yes, a lot of stocks which are buzzing around at this point in time. For the